Hello everyone, my name is Paulette. I am 40 years old. I've been seeing Dr. Izadi for almost 8 years now. She's been my doctor for my aesthetics and all sorts of aesthetic needs. And ever since she received the Fotona laser machine, we've been trying it out, and I'm a little daring. So after seeing all of the treatments, we did a couple other treatments, but I fell in love with the 7D facelift. Twice a year, just for the 7D facelift. For other aesthetics, I see her more often, but we do 7D facelift twice a year. And the whole time within that 6 months that I do the treatment, I feel very lifted, very just smooth. My concern have always been my fine lines. Like I said, I'm 40. I think genetically we tend to have the fine lines coming in sooner. Like I have baby cousins that are in their 20s, and I can see, that they have that around the eye. But for me, it's almost like I don't want to have it. But so our main focus has been on fine lines, and truly they have gone away. I used to do so much neurotoxins around my eyelids. I used to think I'm gonna go do a surgery and lift my eyelids. But as you can see, I have no makeup on. There's no filter. And my eyelids are lifted. Although I'm very tired today, it's Sunday, I had a long week. So, but even that being said, I still feel like my skin is very much lifted, very much pulled back. There's no droopiness, there's no tiredness in my skin. So yeah, would I do it again? 1000%, because you know what I mean? It's so worth doing this. It's not only giving yourself back the respect and love, but at the same time, it's a necessity it's like part of living life. Like we do so much, and then the body needs love back, and this is the way I give myself love back. So yeah, I would highly recommend it for anyone stepping into their 30s to start, so they can age gracefully and love every minute of their aging. Like love the fine lines, the skin, the everything that you have. Love it, because you have something that prevents it from getting so much worse and so quickly, because of so much UV and free radicals that we face every day. So as my goal is to mature very gracefully. I want to step into my 50s, my 60s, and my 70s without thinking, oh, am I going to afford to do plastic surgery? Am I going to do this and that? I don't want to go through those gnarly procedures. I just maintain my face. Like I said, we started 7-8 years ago. Granted, we didn't do 7D facelift because I was in my early 30s. But as soon as she got it, and we've been doing that for 2 years now, and I can see myself aging, like stepping into my every decade of my life doing this procedure, because no one ever believes me when I say I'm 40. And I know for a fact it's because of the procedures that we've been doing on my skin. Granted, sleeping, good diet, all of that is a factor, but to do something that has a drastic change that you can see physically, she does it. So I highly recommend it. If I could afford to have my friends, like pay for my friends and for my family to do it, I would do it, because I love Dr. Izadi. God bless her for doing this. And other than her being affordable, other than her being so gentle-hearted and so good at what she does, I can't say enough. That's just basically that. Thank you for listening to this review.